Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to get right into the video. So this video is part 2 of my wash day routine. So if you guys haven't watched the first part of my wash day routine, I'll link it in the cards above. So all I'm doing here is I'm using the KinkyCurlyMe Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher, which is part of my hair care line, which I'll leave a link down in the description box. So I'm just going to spray the curl refresher all over my hair just to make sure that my hair stays damp. And then I'm going to follow up with the Textured ID styling cream. This is my first time using it. And then I'm going to be using the Extreme Wet Line Gel. This would be my second time using it. So I'm attempting to do a wash and go. In the past, I haven't had the best wash and goes, so I'm hoping this combo will work. So I already applied the styling cream and the gel to half of my hair already, and what I first started doing was taking small sections and just kind of, I think it's called like finger coiling, or like basically I'll just take a small section of my hair and just like twirl it around my finger to get some curl definition. But I noticed that I wasn't really getting the definition that I was looking for. And I felt like once my hair dried, like I think my hair was going to just look frizzy. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going through my hair, and I'm kind of just taking like bigger sections and like kind of like clumping them together, if that makes sense. And I think I'll get better definition that way. So I hope I'm making sense, but you'll see what I mean as the video keeps going. So I'm just going to keep repeating the same steps, which is spraying the curl refresher on my hair, then applying the styling cream, and then finishing up with the gel. So I let my hair air dried. It took about 2 days for my hair to be completely dry. So I didn't do the best at like wrapping my hair at night to kind of preserve the curls. So that's why it looks kind of funky on the right side. But for the most part, I feel like this was a pretty good combo and I like the results that I got. So now I'm just going to take the Creole Lily fenugreek and aloe vera serum and I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp. So my ends were feeling a little crunchy from the gel. So I'm just going to take the Creole Lily aloe vera buttercream and I'm just going to put a little bit on my ends to just kind of soften up the ends but not lose the curl definition. So I really didn't like how the front part of my hair was looking. So I decided to try a half up, half down type of style. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to add a little more gel to the front of my hair and just put the front half into a ponytail. So I'm probably going to be all over the place because I'm trying to look at the mirror. So bear with me. So I was trying to wrap the scrunchie around my hair one last time to get the ponytail as tight as possible, but I end up losing the hair scrunchie in my hair and then I got a little winded. So that's what you're seeing here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.